You think hacking is complicated? It's not. Sometimes it starts with something as simple as this. You wake up, check your phone, open your email, and you see a message. Your account needs urgent verification. You click it.
And
You enter your password, and nothing happens. At least, that's what you think. This is part of our Hacking Explained Simple series. If you have not watched the first video, Hacker versus Ethical Hacker, then you must watch. That video shows you the difference. But today, you'll understand something deeper. Not all hackers are the same. In fact, there are 3 types, and the difference between them can decide whether your data is safe or gone. Let's go back to that moment. You entered your password. You closed the tab. And you forgot about it. But somewhere else, someone didn't. They take your password and try on your Gmail. It works. So they try it on your social media. That works too. Then they move to something more important, your bank. Now imagine this. You're still scrolling your phone, completely unaware. The person behind this is a black hat hacker. Let's understand through some key pointers. They don't warn you. Don't ask permission. And also, they don't fix problems. They create them. They collect data, sell it, and also break into accounts. And most of the time, they don't even target you specifically. You're just one of thousands. Here's the scary part. They didn't hack a system. They use your own habit against you. Fact. More than 80% of data breaches happen because people reuse passwords. Not because hackers are advanced, but because users are predictable. Think about it. How many accounts do you have with the same password? Now pause for a second. Not everyone who hacks is trying to destroy. Some operate in a strange middle ground. These are called gray hat hackers. Let's say someone finds a weakness in a website you use daily. They didn't get permission, but they still go inside. They see everything is exposed. Now, they have a choice. They can report it, or they can show it publicly, or they can do nothing. Sometimes they help, but sometimes they cross the line, and that's what makes them unpredictable. They're not fully wrong, but they're not fully right either. Now imagine the same situation, but this time, before any attacker reaches you, someone else was already there, testing the system, looking for weaknesses, fixing them quietly. That person is a white hat hacker, also known as an ethical hacker. They work with companies. They follow rules. And their goal is simple. Find the problem before someone else does. So instead of accounts getting hacked, the issue gets fixed before you even notice it existed. Fact. Companies like Google and Facebook pay ethical hackers millions just to find small security flaws. And the truth is, every secure app you use today has probably been tested by someone like this. Same skill, same tools, completely different outcomes. One type takes advantage of you, one lives in the middle, and one protects you. So the real question isn't, what is hacking? The real question is, what will you do with that skill? If you're serious about learning this, start the right way. If you missed the first video, Hacker versus Ethical Hacker, link is in the description. And in the next video, you'll discover something even more powerful. How hackers think, how they choose targets, how they plan attacks, and how they stay invisible. Subscribe now. Because once you understand how they think, you'll never look at the internet the same way again. See you in the next video.